Imagine a perfect ecosystem. An ecosystem where living beings, light, soil, water coexist in harmony. The secret lies in the way links and connections are perfectly designed and established, allowing a constant flow of energy within the system. It's AMADA's mission to apply these principles to build and work on the foundation for our new IoT service support system, connecting customers, technology, machines, and our staff. Our customers are the focus of everything we do, and all our technology is conceived with that in mind. AMADA IoT Support uses AI technology to monitor your overall equipment effectiveness and machine's condition in real time. If something's not quite right, our platform will automatically identify the situation and use AMADA's knowledge database to autonomously send you all the relevant information, supporting you as quickly as possible. Our team of European experts will also be notified, making sure you won't be left alone. Our goal is to be proactive and to contact you before you have a chance to contact us. If further support is required, there are multiple digital tools we can use to remotely assist and diagnose. IoT Support has full visibility of your AMADA cells, machines, automation, or ancillary equipment. Additionally, our network of experts can also support you using vMonitor and vLive. vMonitor never sleeps and is there to provide that small detail that many times is missed. vLive can be used alongside vGlasses to digitally transport our team to you, offering an additional layer of support. With AMADA IoT Support, it doesn't matter where our customers are. It's our vision to offer the same top-level service support regardless of their geological location. Our European team, supported by thousands of colleagues around the world, is committed to the future. A future where the digital world should respect and learn from the natural world. Our experience, history, and values have guided us on this path. AMADA IoT Support, growing together, providing solutions and supporting sustainability.